Guys, welcome to the Cat News. One day without. Oh, I got soap in my mouth. Let me search up the Lost Cat News. Cat News. It happened since 2 months ago. We have to bring it back. So, first thing. Hold on, we have to go in a game. Oh, shoot. Wow. We're gonna start. What's up?
Sounds good.
Dog.
This is my friend. You can kick him.
It's okay if you want him in here.
No, it's fine. I didn't really invite him.
Did you hear what I'm gonna do?
What the frick are you gonna do?
Reviving the Cat News.
Okay, I'm just gonna throw up at this point.
What?
You blaze Cardi too much.
No, I'm not gonna talk about Playboy Cardi this episode.
You better. I swear, in case you break the promise, you wanna know what's happening?
Doug, I didn't even start the news yet.
Okay, but make sure you don't break the promise, okay? Understand? In case you break the promise, then I'm telling Darko GT.
I'll keep my promise.
Okay.
On the Cat News.
Yeah, I know you can be a good boy.
David, wait, what?
I said I know you can be a good boy.
Oh, dog. Huh? So the first thing on the Cat News is
Oh, and by the way, I went to Ohio like a lot of times.
So I got a question. Do you think it's great?
Because seafood she doesn't really like.
I went to Ohio. I went to Ohio to go see my grandpa. To go to the zoo. Zoo.
Was it nice? Oh,
Yes, it was very nice. No. We just went to go see the zoo. And go see what's in there and everything. Because we love the zoo in Ohio. No, actually we love the zoo. We love the zoo.
Revive the Cat
Okay, here, let me tell you something.
You would have had a kid.
Let me tell you something.
What?
I'll revive it with you in case you end the beef. And in case you had to be nice to me in front of Yarko and everything.
No worries, bro. Why wouldn't we fight anymore, bro?
Alright, guys.
Okay. I guess I'll revive it.
Revive what?
Today, she would eat the same thing over and over again.
Yes, I'll revive it for you.
Alright. First thing, his secret pill apparently killed somebody because
That is what I think, like, I'm gonna put extra cinnamon just for you.
So he killed somebody for no reason.
Are you serious right now? So we have
the strange part, she was 14.
wait, what? You eat cookies?
Okay. Wait, the Fortnite one? The Fortnite guy?
You don't like this either, but we found a piece of stolen.
Who the fuck is shooting him?
Not gonna lie, he's kind of weird. And his facial expression is really dumb. Like, if you know
I might just.
you know something went wrong. Like, murder guy, you're like, oh my god, I'm gonna get caught. Like, those blue bird guys.
It does not look that
He didn't do it. Like, he didn't.
Since it's about murdering, I can't really revive talking about killing in my video. So sorry, I can't do that. So I guess I can't do it. Sorry, mate.
Wait, you're trying to upload the cat?
Yes, I was telling you that I couldn't revive it.
I'm sorry. The second news. Yeah. Is Fortnite is collabing with Dazzler. And Snoop Dogg is getting another. Are you excited for this?
Yes. This collab could be good, could be bad. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. I got my Brody. Yeah, bro, anytime.
One of the news pieces
Okay, so in case it's about killing, I'm good, bro. I'm good.
about
so good. Anyways, we're going to enjoy breakfast, so we'll see you guys.
please help me.
Breakfast. Horrible.
Gang, I don't know where you freaking. Second of all, I just know your city, and I'm not gonna come to your freaking city and get your IP and freaking pull up just because you said help me, and there's no robbers or nothing there. Then I just waste my time.
I got a question. If you go to Ohio, go to my cousin's barbershop, it's pretty fire.
Moments later.
Oh, okay.
My mom just came home with a bunch of groceries.
And my friend's birthday is soon, the 27th. Make sure you say happy birthday to Emerus. Happy birthday.
He names himself Emerus. On God, I would freaking laugh so hard.
Bro, I know the guy, and bro, he's that person that loves everybody. Bro, no worries, he's a smarter than me, actually.
My family said
He murdered?
What?
He murdered us?
No, he's a kid. Not murder me.
First of all, I will fucking kill myself.
And let me
Second of all, what the fuck are you yapping about?
let me pull up the greatest news of
The greatest news in the whole day.
yes.
And the mac and cheese, and then also the strawberry lemon.
This is the biggest news of today.
Sorry, bud. Basic. Says you, but yes. This is literally the best drink ever.
Guys, my name is Catman, and I love Blazing Cardi.
900 employees. I'm not done.
Even mix it.
Man,
How much are you gonna glaze Cardi?
himself 3 times in a week. No, that's wouldn't be.
Interesting.
Cat news.
How many times are you gonna glaze Cardi? Be honest.
I didn't even play once in this video.
Okay, but how many? Wait. I'm just asking you a question. How many times are you gonna glaze Cardi?
I'll show you Blaze Cardi Instinct, but I will just do some Cardi edits. That's all I'm gonna do.
Anyway, guys, now let's get into our class. It's actually really good when you rate it.
So you said you quit glazing Cardi. I'm saying, but you're gonna make edits of him.
Yeah, that's not I create edits of everybody.
Of everybody's crazy, bro.
What?
That's how you funny, huh?
The biggest news.
Stop with you on it. When I'm done, so gonna be stuck in my rap. Playboy Cardi, nah. Playboy Max.
All right.
So what you're
Let me search up
big.
Yes,
And we usually eat
today.
but since we're eating different dinners, so here's
I'll bow down for your stupid ass videos.
Provoke US bite.
Come on, we need to go kill kids.
On Kerm. Import Kerm. What is up with
always get more after that.
What is up with Ohio, man?
Hurry up, you Glazer Cardi. You big.
The Cardi Glazer account was banned, by the way.
Yeah.
I don't like this challenge at all. Alright guys, it's been a few hours and we're going to have to
Alright.
and kind of like
That's all of the cat news today. See you tomorrow.